Okay, MySQL, another set of practical queries will be discussed, and I think you have done the last two parts, whatever comments and queries have been shown. So we are just proceeding today with some other new things. All right. So now some of the update we will do also today. Okay, let us see now. So let us go to the MySQL. As I have told you, after installation, MySQL to be typed in the search box, or it may appear in your in the search menu also, and then click on it. So after this one, the window will appear, and then you have to enter 1234. All right, so that is my password actually. So you can give your password into the system and then click on enter, press enter, and then you will get this screen out here. All right, so that is the thing. So now what I'm exactly doing is today, so I'm going back again, selecting that particular database. So what is the name? Let us see. If I forget the name, then show databases is the command to see the name of the database, so it can be revealed. So it is actually the school one that we are working with. Okay, so now we're going with the school one once again back. So what you have to do, use and then school one. These two commands will be, these are the very important, this is the very important command. Wherever you want to make some changes and access the table, you have to give the use command. Without use command, it is not possible. Okay, so first of all, you have to select a database that will be in your work area, and you can proceed with further queries and commands in order to extract the data from it, or to add or insert or to modify the data into that. So yesterday till update and delete command we had discussed. So today we will see some of its some of the other commands also. Okay, let us see now. So database has been changed, so let us go back to once to the MySQL, that table. So we have to give the show table, so it will show me the names of the tables. Yes, this is S1 has been stored into here. Okay, whatever you have done changes yesterday, that particular records must be there. Okay, now let us see that. Select, okay, select star from S1. So that S1 table has been shown out here. There are the 5 tables are being displayed. Okay, so the thing is that yesterday we had seen how to insert a null value and all, and how to access the null value from a uh, from the table. All right, so now today, see the, as I have discussed out here, description of the table S1. It says what? Let's see which one is the primary key. This one, okay, is the primary key. Now see a very important command, how to remove the primary key from the table. So the alter command will be used. Actually, alter is actually a DDL command. Okay, DDL command means it is actually having the straight access onto the structure. So it just hits the structure. All right, so alter and update both are for changing, but alter and update, that is a difference. Update actually changes the record, that is a DML command, and whereas alter is a DDL command which actually changes the structure of the table. So now alter table S1. So alter table command S1, and then the primary key, if you want to remove, I have to give the drop primary key. Just this command to be given, so the primary key will be removed. All right, so it has been done. Okay, now let us check once the description, then you will come to know the difference. All right, so now you see previously pri has been displayed under the key, but nothing is there right now. Okay, now that's what you can delete the remove the primary key. Okay, but the field is there. So in that case, what could you do if you want to add once more? Okay, in order to restrict the data redundancy, in that case, what could you do? That you can change it once again. So alter table you can use. Okay, alter table command we can use. All right, let's see. So alter table s1 add primary key, then within bracket you give the name of the key SID, and then press semicolon. Then what will happen, the primary key will be added once again. Okay, so how would you confirm? Just give the description command, it will show you the that has been added as the primary key now. Okay, so in this way you will be able to remove the primary key, or you will be able to add the primary key. Okay, now see how to add a column. Okay, how to add a column. So it is very easy. Alter table, alter table. Okay, table name is what? Table name is S1. Okay, add. Okay, add. Say you are having the age already. No, house is also there. Address is also there. I said in name. Say blood group. Okay, blood group. Okay, BLD. BLD blood group, add blood group care, and then you can keep it here as 5. Okay, character 5. Okay, this one you are going to add. Okay, so now this particular column has been added. Now see what is exactly happening. So now when we will do the structure, that the structure, the change can be viewed. Okay, you see this one more has been added, but here it was nothing, only the BLD that we have added, that is remaining out here in this particular structure when we have added it, but it was not existing previously. Now as we have added with the command alter table s1 add column and data type. Okay, that is the format actually to use the alter table command. So here in SQL, whatever you are viewing out here in practically and you are implementing it practically, if the question comes in the answer paper, you have to write the same similar thing. All right, so no change as well. So that's why if you're doing the practical well, then you are actually preparing yourself for the theory exam also. That is the advantage. Okay, so now the thing is that now if we are displaying all the records from here, how it will be displayed? Select star from S1 if we are giving, let's see what is happening. So here it is everywhere, it is showing you null out here, but it has to be changed. So in that case, what could you do? You can use the update command, update S1 set, okay, set BLD equals to since it is a cat type, so a plus, okay, a positive, okay, where what, where for the Sujit Kun we are changing SID equals to 647 semicolon. Fine, so one row matched and the change has been occurred. All right, now see update says when BLD equals to, say you're just giving only the B positive, suppose B negative, B positive, sorry, B positive, and where SID equals to 657, just change it and the changing will be done. Okay, 657, so change has been reflected. Okay, well, after inside updating everything, we will display the things. All right, now see, if we are doing it like this, S1 then set BLD equals to B negative. Okay, sorry, update, then you are, if you are giving here B negative, suppose, for then which SID, for 900. Fine. So then what could you do? You can change it 900, because why I'm doing by using the SID, because it is the unique feature. All right, that is the thing. So it has been changed. All right, so now what is happening here, you have changed this B minus and this 900 has been changed. All right, okay, now see some more data are left, three more are there. Then say you could say AB negative, you can do AB negative, and where SID equals to, now what is happening, 900 then 967, so you can give it 967, it has been changed. Now update it is, you can give here again AB positive, and where SID equals to 980. So I'm just pressing the up arrow key to get, in order to access the previous command, and there I am doing the modification. That's why the working is going very fast. All right, now the thing is that another last one is 985, so I will give in, so the, suppose this one is O positive. Fine, O positive, so I'll give O positive, where SID equals to 980, what, 985. Yes, now the thing is that the enter modification has been done. Okay, leave that one because I have pressed enter twice, that's why it is coming in. Okay, little hard, that's why you don't press the enter key hard. All right, that is the thing. So now what is happening, it has been changed. Let us check once whether the changes has taken place or not. Now the thing is that we're changing it, so select star from where, S1, then if you're giving, so the change has been taken place. All right, okay, so that is the thing. So now the thing is that if you want to display, the those who are having the only the AB in their blood group, if you want to display their details, so what could you do? See, yesterday I taught you, select star from what, from S1, where BLD like what, BLD like with the bracket percent AB, you give percent AB, okay, sorry, AB, and then percent you give out here, and then semicolon. You will see that AB positive, AB negative, both will be displayed. Okay, see that AB negative, AB positive, both have been displayed. Okay, like that. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, you will be able to add a column and alter its data. So you have seen clearly when I am using when I have added a column, I have used the alter command. That's why it is DDL command. And when manipulating the data, I have used the update command. That is actually the DML command. So that is the difference between the update and alter. Fine. So that is the way. That is the way. In this particular thing, what is happening? In this particular way, in this happening, this particular difference you have to understand. Now see, if you have seen the description S1, then what is happening? It is showing me the care class. You see here, care2 has been taken only. For that reason, I am not be able to enter the 8 and other data. Okay, like that 8 and what you call class 8 data. I can't enter class 3 data and enter because it is actually the length has been taken 2. So what I want to do, I want to change its modify the data type. Okay, so alter table ABLE table S1. Okay, ठीक है. Modify 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 class, then care, and then I'm taking 5. Okay, so what is happening? This modification has taken place. Okay, what is that? Alter table S1 modify class char 5. That means it was char 2 before. Now I have changed it into char 5. All right. So now if I'm seeing the description, then what is happening? So the char 5 has been accepted. So in this way, you can change the width of a field. Okay. So now we will insert a record, insert into table name, insert into S1 values within bracket, say 899 comma Samir Samir and Raj. Okay, and then comma, sorry, I'm extremely sorry, just pressing Control C. Okay, so I'm coming back over here. So what is happening? I will reload this MySQL. Okay, and the thing, because there is something wrong, you press Control C, come out and reload it. Okay, 3 4, then use what? School 1. It's quite easy. School 1, and then the table you see, use school 1 you have done. So select, okay, select star from S1, because the last changes we have made out here. By seeing the description, we can make out description S1. So the care last time we have changed, it has appeared over here like this. Now what could we do is say this care 5 is fine. Okay, now we want to insert one record, insert into table name values. Then what is happening? 880 comma, then what you call Samir Raj. Okay, entering Samir Raj, then comma, then what we will enter his class, say 8. Okay, then comma, then say date of birth 2020 or 2008 hyphen 09 hyphen 18. All right, so now this has been done. Okay, you see, then the date of birth has been taken. Then house, we have to choose as blue. Okay, blue, then comma, then what else, then we are having the address is say Katak, um, address is say Kerala. Okay, Kerala. Okay, and then say what we do have, blood group is say AB, sorry, B positive. Fine, that we are entering, and the bracket to be closed and semicolon. So the record has been inserted. So once if you want to see this, the select star from S1, yes, it has been inserted. That is Samir Raj has been inserted out here. You can see class 8, whatever data we have entered. It has been entered. Now you see out here the Sujit Kumar's, the Katak, the spelling is wrong actually. If you want to modify it, how would you do it? That is actually coming under the DML. So update S1. Okay, update S1 from update S1 set address equals to Katak, Cuttack, Katak, and then where where SID equals to what? SID equals to 647. Okay, 647 means Sujit Kumar's address to be changed, and semicolon you put the change has taken place. You can confirm it. Okay, the Katak has been changed into Katak. That is the another purpose of the this thing. All right, that is the thing. So now what could you do is, if you want to uh, if you want to change the name of a field, what could you do? Okay, alter table name, alter table s1. Okay, so what could you do? Change the old name, address, city, varchar, and then you give 40. Okay, data type you have to give also, then you give 40. So it has been changed. What is happening? This address has become into city now. So now how do you understand this has been changed, has taken place or not? Similar, a description you give s1, then what is happening here? You see this has been changed to city, because previously it was appearing as address. Now if you are giving the address, it will not be displayed. Also select address, comma, name from S1, it will not be displayed. Unknown column address, this error message has been displayed. Now you cannot use anymore address as a field name since it has been changed into city. So what is the format? Alter table name, change old column name, new column name, and its data type also to be mentioned. So you have seen today the three attributes of alter. One is alter, how to remove the particular primary key and to add it up, how to add a column, how to modify a column. Modify column means you have changed the size of the or the length of the particular field, and another is you are actually renaming the name of the field from address to city. Okay, that's what we have done by this query. So all these things you must do practically, so then you will understand. As I am doing the practical, I'm showing you, demonstrating you by using the practical, because if I only explain it verbally, okay, then it is not enough. Okay, that is why I am demonstrating this practically, and wherever the possible error might come, that one also can be seen. So instead what we will use, if we want to see the address and all, see, in now we have to change it to city name from S1. So that's what it is coming properly. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way, actually, you have to use the alter command. Fine. So alter command is very important for you, and often the question comes, what is the difference between alter command and update command? Okay, so you have seen the difference today, what update is doing and what alter is doing. Update is clearly related to the records or the tuples that have been inserted into the table, whereas alter is actually directly related to the structure of the table. So wherever the changes in the field we require, we are using the alter command, and wherever change in the data we require, we are using the update command. So that is the difference between alter and update command. Okay, so for today I think this is sufficient. Okay, so what you do, you make the table and try and apply these kinds of commands. Okay, so into your system, so you'll be able to understand its purpose and its usage and its functionality. So at the end, if we want to come out, we have to press Ctrl C, okay, in the console, sorry, in the prompt of MySQL, and you will be get back into the data. See, by aborted has been shown. Once more, if you press, then you will be coming out of the windows. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so close it. Also, you can do. Okay, that is the thing. So try it out. Till then, thank you.